this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the issue where Spotify keeps pausing on your PC. So there's basically two different methods that we can use to fix this. The first one is by heading over to an internet browser, and in the address bar, just type in spotify.com. Once you're on the Spotify page, you need to head over to login in the top right hand side, and then just go ahead and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged into the website, head over to your profile icon in the top right hand side, click on account, scroll all the way down to security and privacy, and you need to select this button here, sign out everywhere, and this will just sign you out of your account in all of the devices that you're currently logged into. So just press sign out everywhere, and once you've done that, you can try relaunching Spotify to check if that's now fixed the issue. If that's still not working, the second method that we can use to fix this is you need to open up the Discord application on your PC. Once you have Discord running, head over to the settings icon in the bottom down here, head over to connections from the left hand side, and if you have your Spotify profile linked to your Discord like I do here, all you simply need to do is press this X button, click on disconnect, and now once we exit out of Discord, that will have now fixed your Spotify playback issue. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.